Yeah, welcome back to another one, viewers. Don't know, watching Farm with the Rasta. Today we're in a farm, go do some work, you know. Yeah, man. You don't know, people. Right after hurricane barrel, I have to put in back something. So we just there clean up the damage and I put in back something. And I do some circle fork, you understand? Some cucumber we have on the farm. Don't know, people. You know, so we have to plant up the vegetable. Know they all a blossom too, so you know say we have to expect food from them and some cucumber from them, so we have to just take care of them and do the right thing. You know, viewers and subscribers. So what I gonna do? I gonna circle fork them. Circle fork around them like that. Right? So I have a little banana plant tree that's all come. Well healthy. Hurricane barrel never catch that one there. Yeah man, so you know, I'm active. So yeah people. We have some cucumber in our farm I go and take care of, so me I go do circle fork around them. Make sure say how them come healthy and nice. So me I go do, me I show you how I do it. How the cucumber farming, you see it? How the technique go and how to make your cucumber tree them look healthy and nice. So yeah, that I pray to the viewers and subscribers. You don't know. So this is how we are gonna do it now. I will start from the one here. As you can see, me they already a circle fork it. So I'm going to finish circle fork around it. Because it a run off, you know, no people, and it a beer too. See, me have one bees right in the blossom there. I dig out the blossom. All of the pollen out of the blossom. Yeah, bees boss, me catch you, man. The viewers didn't see it too. Yeah, people, so you don't know. Yeah, man, so you don't know. You have to show no what go on in a farm, you know. Right after barrel. So today I just cucumber farming. So I jump on him right away and show you how I do circle fork. You see it? Yeah man. Yeah man, so what I go do? Just I go around him, you know what I mean? So I have my cucumber tree right there, so. So what I do? I just fork up around it. So you know so the root them can have the loose side left running, right? Yeah man. So jump on him, start circle forking, you know? So make sure the dirt around him good and nice and you know can come alright and healthy. So this is how I do the circle forking, right? So the plant, the cucumber plant right in the middle. So I just go around him with some little circle fork, you know? Make the side loose so it can run freely. Right? Yeah man, so this is one of the technique I use for cucumber farming. If you do it this way, cucumber shall surely come nice and healthy, right? Alright, so see how this is how we are doing it, people. This is how we are doing it. As I tell you before, fork around them, circle fork them. You know, make the side loose so them can run freely. Because, you know, cucumber is a vine plant. Cucumber is a vine plant, so it runs. As you can see, I run now. You know, we have some worm I eat off the leaf, so we're going to prepare an organic pesticide for that. You don't know, strictly organic we deal with, people. So, the whole point is, cucumber is a vine plant, so, you know, it a go run. So if you have the side like this loose, so it can run freely and run nicely, then you don't know it a go bear properly. It a go bear the right way, people. So this is how cucumber farming go. So them look healthy and nice, people. Them just want like organic fertilizer, right? So yeah man, this is how I do it. You know, circle fork it. Make some bed as you can see the side loose up on it. Make some side some loose dirt feet so it can run freely. So I have cucumber company, people. Be a blossom. Some nice cucumber I get off of that one here, people. Yeah man, you don't know up on the hillside. Nice hill view. Yeah man, hillside farming, you know. Next cucumber right here, so tree, well healthy and nice. You saw the cucumber tree them strong and healthy people. Yeah man. Just have to fork around them. Just like that. You know, give them nice soil. Good and nice soil so them can run freely, you know. Yeah people, you don't know farming with Rasta. Yeah man, J.A. Today we're there in a cucumber section. We don't have much cucumber but you don't know. We plant a little garden same way. Yeah man. So yeah. I decide people cucumber farming, you know. Yeah man, so we just have to take care of them now.